Hey, it's Megan. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited that you're here because you are going to learn so much in the next 5 weeks. It's going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to see what you accomplish and your project that you're going to make. We are actually going to be making these rings right here, these stackable rings that I'm wearing. I have only 4 on, but we will be making 5, and out of 1-foot piece of sterling silver. So it's going to be really cool to see the transformation. I encourage you to jump over to the Silversmithing Club and join and introduce yourself. Check out what other people are making and saying. It's a really cool space, and I can't wait to see you over there. If you haven't already, please set up your Rio Grande account, and you'll have access to the Silversmithing Club and the link for the Rio Grande account set up inside your student portal. And I encourage you to get that done today because it does take a couple days to sync to the school to start getting your discounts. And then we're just going to jump right into module 1. This is week 1, and we're going to order our tools, which is really exciting. We're going to talk about ventilation and lighting and safety and determining where you're going to work inside your home, and some other things. So it's pretty exciting, and I hope that you get your tools ordered today because we want you to have them in time for module 2 to begin. So that's awesome. If you have any questions at all, please reach out inside the Silversmithing Club. And the other thing that I want to share with you is an article that I wrote about my origin story as a jewelry maker. And you will have access to that inside your portal as well. And I really hope you come over and read it. It's just a few minute read, but it's a really funny, random story about how I got started as a jewelry maker 15 years ago. And it's just my story. I had no intention of being a jewelry maker. This is the path that life wanted me to take, so it's really interesting. So take a look at it, and then come over to the Silversmithing Club and please share your story, whether you are just getting started and you've never done any jewelry making, or maybe you've dabbled in some silversmithing, or maybe you've been making jewelry with beads for a while. That's how I got started. I'd love to hear about it. Okay, so the Silversmithing Club is the place for us to connect and get to know each other, and that's one of the most important things that I hope that you get out of this entire class is just connecting and being in a community, in a safe place where you can share your work and who you are and how you got started. So that's it for the intro. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you over in the Silversmithing Club.